shifting focus to the COVID situation in the state of Maharashtra. News coming in, 44,388 new COVID cases have been reported in Maharashtra, of which Mumbai has reported 19,474 fresh cases and 7 related deaths. The Maharashtra government has already revised the COVID-19 related restrictions, and we were breaking down details earlier on of the new guidelines as well. But yes, 44,388 new cases that have been reported in the state of Maharashtra. So certainly a big spike that we are looking at as far as Maharashtra situation is concerned, with Mumbai alone reporting 19,474 fresh cases. So the situation is certainly alarming given the number of COVID-19 cases and the increase that we are looking at on a daily basis, with the new guidelines also having been rolled out given the current surge in the number of cases. So Alisha, I believe, is joining us as she's tracking more details on the same. Alisha, a serious situation given the numbers. 44,000 is a big number. Yasha, I beg your pardon, is joining us with that bit of information. Yasha, what more can you tell us? 44,000 plus cases in Maharashtra, 19 plus that have been reported alone in Mumbai.
Yes, in fact, now what we've seen is that Maharashtra has seen an increase in the number of cases here by 3,000 is what we understand. Yesterday the figure was around 41,000, but now today the figures have reported 44,388 cases in Maharashtra. On the other hand, like you rightly mentioned, Mumbai has seen more than 19,000 cases. Over the last 3 days, we have seen that there were more than 20,000 cases which were reported in Mumbai, and which is where, because of the increasing caseload in the state, we have seen that the state government has issued some guidelines yesterday, which will be implemented from tomorrow onwards, wherein there'll be a curfew kind of a situation wherein only 5 people can gather later in the night until morning. Apart from that, there are certain restrictions which include salons and gyms to have 50% working capacity. Apart from that, there'll be also 50% working capacity when it comes to malls and restaurants, and only those who are completely vaccinated would be allowed. Because what we see is that the task force members have in fact also mentioned how most of the cases which are being reported right now in the state are that of Omicron, as a result of which precautions need to be taken. And while there is no particularly lockdown measures, there are strict restrictions which are being put in place by state government, seeing the increasing number. And what we see now is that booster dose, which would be given from tomorrow onwards, is what the state is saying would help, in fact, curb the increasing figures. Yes.
So a new high as far as the case tally of Maharashtra is concerned, 44,388 new COVID cases that have been reported in just the past 24 hours, as Yasha is pointing out, a jump from the earlier 40,000 odd cases that were reported in Mumbai, reporting 19,474 fresh COVID cases and 7 deaths as well. Thank you, Yasha, for that update.